2020 Avalon front end accident, and as I was recovering it or evacuating it to do a recharge, I was going over it since they have the bumper cover off, brand new condenser, and it looked like a Toyota. And I said, is this a Toyota? They looked it up, it was a Toyota. But what do you see right there? You see that clip? Does that look like it's well centered? Does that look like it's in good condition? Do you see the damage on it? Let's see if we can get to it closer. That will blow out later. Now, unfortunately, it was OEM, so I know it came with the little bag that had new O-rings, new clip, and a can of oil. Unfortunately, the guy's not working here who worked on this and assembled it. It's too bad. You know, this is a really good shop and a really good owner and really good group of guys here. I don't want to see them make a mistake, and so I discovered this part, brought it up to their attention, and they're ordering the new OEM part right now, so I'll come back. But right now, since I already have it under a vacuum, I don't want them to pull it off and suck moist air in there. You know, you purchase a brand new condenser and it has a new desiccant material. Why do you want to put moist air over it and saturate it with moisture and contaminate and saturate all the POE oil in this system? So I'll backfill it with dry nitrogen, and so when they pull it out, it'll be positive 2, 3, 4 psi. They'll slip on new O-rings, a new clip, and I can come back out here and recharge it. So that is definitely not centered and definitely not right.